ang mapapalapit sa ating mga puso. Ito ang bagong paborito ng bayan, ang Pilipinas. Game ka na ba? Game na! We start with 10 players for 30 minutes na nakakulong sa aming Parentarium. Players, tigil na sa pag-aaral, pumunta na kayo dito, and let's play. From Makati, accounting graduate, Yvonne Pascual. From Lipas City, nag-aaral ng Mechatronics Engineering, Arthur Mosca. Accountancy student from UST, 19 years old, Irene Larga. Caloocan City, machine operator, Obet Dampil. Computer engineering student from Mapua Institute of Technology, Tim Salvaburo. Kamiling Tarlac, 22 years old, Emmy Ildefonso. Teacher, Tubong Marawi City, Annie Sumayan. New graduate from UST with a course in Electronics and Communications Engineering, Regine Gonzalez. Another ECE graduate from De La Salle University, Candy Angsanto. From Taguig, tapos ng Mechanical Technology, Jeff Mascarinha. Ito na susubukan ninyong patalsikin at agawan ng medalya. Defending winner from Saturday's Celebrity Special, Nikki Valdez. Pagkatapos ng dalawang rounds of the eliminations, kayong 10 maging 4 na lang kayo. Studio players, Pilipinas, game ka na ba? Game na! Ito na ang first round of eliminations. Isa-isa ko kayong tatanungin kung mali ang sagot. And sorry, out na. I'll start with you, Yvonne. Yes or no, sa bilang ng devotees, ang Pilipinas pa rin ba ang largest Catholic nation in Asia? No. Yvonne, yes. In fact, we remain the only predominantly Catholic nation in Asia with 64 million Catholics. China is next with about 10 million. Irene, sa video games, anong uri ng hayop si Donkey Kong? Donkey or gorilla? Gorilla. You are correct. Tim, yes or no? Ayon ba sa proverb, he who hesitates is lost?
Yes.
Correct! Annie, ano sa Ingles ang silid-aklatan? Bookstore or library?
Library.
Correct! Candy, yes or no? Sa astronomy, talaga bang nagtitwinkle ang isang star?
No.
The Earth's atmosphere disperses the light of a star, making it appear to be twinkling. Correct answer is no. Correct! Arthur, kaano-ano ni Plinky Recto si Senator Ralph Recto? Kapatid or pinsan?
Kapatid.
Correct! Obet, yes or no sa music? Mga Bicolano ba ang members ng bandang Red Hot Chili Peppers?
No.
Correct! Emmy, ano ang pinag-aaralan ng isang botanist? Sapatos or halaman?
Alaman.
Correct! Regine, yes or no sa board games? Isang tao lang ba ang pwedeng maglaro ng Monopoly?
No.
From 2 to 6 players, correct! Jeff, sa calendar, ano ang nauuna? Mother's Day or Father's Day?
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day is in May, Father's Day is in June. Correct! Isa lamang ang natanggal. Ito na ang wave 2 ng ating eliminations. Pabilisan na to. The first 4 players na tamang sagot. Kayong pasok sa pyramid round. Kamay na sa dibdib. Let's play. Noong 1829, anong writing system ang nilikha ng isang bulag na French teacher? Yes, Regin.
Braille.
By Louis Braille. Correct, you're in! Kamay sa dibdib. Jeff, kamay sa dibdib. Kumpletuhin ang title ng hit song ni Jose Marie Chan. My Girl, My Woman, My Blank. Yes, Candy.
My friend.
Correct, you're in! Kamay sa dibdib, tuloy natin. Anong dekada naging pope si Carol Wojtyła? Arthur?
1945. 1940.
Mali ka. I was asking for the decade when he became pope. The choices, 1960s, 70s, or 80s? In the 1970s. To be exact, 1978. I'm sorry you lose a turn. Ituloy natin. Ano ang nawawala sa taong may laryngitis? Yes, Annie.
Voice.
Voice, boses. Meron akong chronic laryngitis. Correct! You're in! Isa na lang, and who will it be? Here we go. Sinong movie character ang may signature line na, "Yeah, baby"? Yes, Arthur.
Johnny Bravo.
No, you are wrong. Austin Powers. You lose a turn. Kamay sa dibdib. Sa English, ang tawag sa balot ay unhatched duck blank. Yes, Jeff.
Egg.
No, Jeff. Embryo. Uy, Arthur, you're back. May pag-asa pa. Kamay sa dibdib. Jeff loses a turn. Ano ang tawag sa doktor na gumagamot sa matatandang pasyente? From the Greek, geras, meaning old age, geriatrician or geriatrist is the correct answer. Let's play on. Ayon sa Pinoy folk song na Sit, Sit, It, Sit, ang babae sa lansangan kung gumiri ay parang... Yes, Annie! The choice says paru-paro, tandang, or salagubang. Tandang is the correct answer. Emmy loses a turn. Sa anong palayaw mas kilala si DSWD Secretary Corazon Soliman? Arthur!
Dinky.
Never say die. You're in! Correct! Hi, Secretary Dinky. She's my friend. I like her. Congratulations, Regin, Candy, Annie, and Arthur, because you now have 5,000 pesos each. Sige na maglalaban-laban sa pyramid round. Pwede niyong maagawan ng medalya si Nikki. Pwede kayong manalo ng 1 million pesos. Sino kaya ang saswertehan? Malalaman po nating lahat sa pagbabalik yan ng Pilipinas. Game ka na ba?
Game na!
Mas challenging, mas tricky yung mga tanong. Ito na po ang pyramid round. Regin, Candy, Annie, and Arthur. Game ka na ba?
Game na!
Arthur, it took you 3 attempts. Diba?
Yes.
Aren't you glad? Diba? Kasi,
Sobra.
thank you, Secretary Soliman. Buti na lang alam mo. Buti hindi ka nawala ng loob.
Wala lang. Ewan ko, di ko alam.
At parang hindi ka na makapagsalita ngayon. What?
Speechless.
Speechless. Annie, you're a teacher?
Yes, yes.
Ano? Grade school, high school?
Grade school.
Ah, okay. Candy, what's your real name?
Catherine Dayan.
Diane, walang A. Di Diana.
Walang Dayan.
Nice. You know, yung nice nickname yung Candy, and you're very pretty.
Thank you.
You have a boyfriend na ba? How old are you?
I'm 22.
22. Anong natapos mo?
ECE.
From Lasal. Naku, ang brother ko single din. I will introduce you. Okay. Ikaw, Regin, ano natapos mo? Same, di ba?
Apo, ECE din po.
Okay. Are you single?
Yes, ma'am.
Ang may-ari ng tuktok na bloke at ang nakasal kayo ng medalya ay ang ating defending winner na si Nikki. Kung mapatalsik si Nikki, you'll win 50,000 pesos and you'll have the chance to answer the million-peso question. Kamay na sa dibdib. Good luck to the four of you. Let's play. Sa larong baraha, anong Pinoy game ang version ng gin rummy at gumagamit ng terms na diga, permis, chow, regin,
Tong-it.
at sapaw. Tongits is correct! Kamay sa dibdib. Aling hit song ni Olivia Newton-John ang may opening lyrics na Maybe I hang around here a little more than I should. Candy,
I honestly love you.
sing it for me.
Maybe I hang around here a little more than I should.
Tuloy mo na.
Both know we've got somewhere else to go.
I honestly love you is correct! I know it's baduy, but it's really one of my favorite songs. Ituloy natin. Sa food, aling bahagi ng baboy ang karaniwang sangkap ng toko at baboy? Yes, Arthur?
Laman.
Ha?
Laman.
Wrong. The choices, A, paa, B, dila, C, tenga. Regis.
Tenga.
Correct. Kamay sa dibdib. Sa transportation, ano ang tawag sa ruta ng isang jeepney at sakita na rin ang driver nito? Yes, Arthur?
Boundary.
Correct! Hindi mapigil ni Mel at Polly na tumulo ang laway sa kaiyagan ng babaeng kanilang nakilala. Ano ang kaiyagan? A. Kagandahan. B. Kaseksihan. Annie?
Kagandahan.
You're wrong. These are the choices. A. Kagandahan. B. Kaseksihan. C. Kaputian. Yes, Arthur?
Kaseksihan.
Maiyag means sexy. Correct. Tuloy natin. Sa classic TV commercial, sino ang sinabihan ni Maricel Soriano ng correct ka dyan? A. Agamula. B. Cesar Montano. C. Gary Valenciano. Regin,
Cesar Montano?
do you remember what product?
No, ma'am. I think remember.
Me too, I don't. But you're correct! Tuloy natin. Sa cartoons, sinong Powerpuff Girl ang dressed in pink? Yes, Candy!
Bubbles.
Wrong. The others can steal. Arthur!
Blossom.
Bubbles is in blue, Buttercup is in green, Blossom is in pink. Correct! Kamay sa dibdib. Sa Pinoy food, alin sa mga sumusunod na prutas ang ginagawang sangkap ng pochero? Arthur!
Saging.
A. Mangga. B. Saging. C. Pinya. Saging is correct! May sa dibdib. Sa anong Oscar Best Picture hango ang linyang Life is like a box of chocolate? Candy!
Forrest Gump.
You never know what you're gonna get. A. Forrest Gump. B. A Beautiful Mind. C. Rocky. Forrest Gump is correct! Anong cake ang may literal meaning na walang kaparis o karibal? Yes, Candy.
Sans Rival.
You are correct. It's French for no comparison, but my mom is a French major and she told me the correct way daw talaga to pronounce this is sans rival. Anong sasabihin mo? Hala, kay Regine.
Regin Alisran.
Try natin.
Uy, try nila. Okay, these are the categories. Somewhere up there. Beat sa bar. Top 10. Do the pump. All in the family.
All in the family.
Mga pangalan ng lead characters sa TV sitcom na John and Marcia. 8 possible answers. Regine, ilan ang kaya mo?
2.
Candy?
I can name 3.
Regine, call mo na. Go for 4.
Call.
Call na?
Call, ma'am.
Sila? Okay. In case within the 15 seconds, you can name all 8, ibibigay ko sa'yo yung Norkit Yamaha Mio motorcycle. Candy, you just need 3, mapapatalsik mo si Regine. Mga pangalan ng lead characters sa TV sitcom na John and Marcia. 15 seconds, timer starts now.
John, Marcia, Doña Delilah, Doña Buding, Dolly, Mackie, Joshua, Jenny.
At bakit ba naman pinasok si Josh doon? Hindi kasama Jenny, Joshua, Mackie, Doña Buding, and Dolly. Okay? You missed Shirley, played by Maricel Soriano, Matutina, Madel Atong, and Rolly, you got Marcia, John, and Doña Delilah, which means bye, Regine. Kiss mo na siya. Wait, kiss ka na. Sige, no. Bye. At least, diba, may konsuelo siya kahit napatalsik mo siya. Oh, there na, you take his spot. Saan ba siya? Ito, diba? Correct? Okay. Tuloy natin. Sa English vocabulary, ang porringer ay isang A. Foreign tourist, B. Bell ringer, C. Soup bowl. Annie!
D.
Which is?
O.
You are wrong. And I couldn't accept that kasi hindi mo pinangalanan. For the two of you, Arthur and Candy, sa English vocabulary, ang porringer ay isang... Yes, Candy?
Soup bowl.
Correct! Anong milk product na nagmula sa turkey ang nagtataglay ng buhay na bacteria? Yes, Candy?
Cheese.
Is she correct? May chance pa ba si Annie at si Arthur? Malalaman nating lahat sa pagbabalik yan ng Pilipinas. Game ka na ba? Game na! We're back. Anong milk product na nagmula sa turkey ang nagtataglay ng buhay na bacteria? Candy said cheese. You are wrong. Annie, Arthur, you can steal. Correct answer, yogurt. Tuloy natin. Ang ibig sabihin ng Latin expression na mens sana in corpore sano ay a healthy mind in a healthy blank. For the win, Arthur,
Body.
body is correct! Candy, Annie, salamat. Akyat na dito, Nikki. I love your skirt! It's just the cutest! Ang ganda! Okay. Arthur, nasabihin mo kay Nikki.
Nikki, pwede pa try. Alis dyan.
Why not? Halika na.
Saan galing yun? It's so... Halika na.
Sino ba nagbigay sa akin ito? Mami ko ata.
From the States?
Yeah.
So cute. O, dyan ka sa
Ah, dito
position
ba?
mo. Ako naman, if you find my top cute, pasalubong ni Deo. Deo, thanks, ha? Okay, these are the categories. Somewhere up there, bida sa bar. Top 10. Do the pump.
Bida sa bar.
Mga abogado na naging Pangulo ng Pilipinas. I require the full names. Nikki, full names, ha?
Abogado.
Na naging President ng Philippines. Ilan ang kaya mo?
Kaya ko ba ito? 1.
Arthur.
Can name 2.
2. Pwede mo na siyang i-call, Nikki.
Call mo nga. Ay, call ko na. Call mo.
Call
ko.
mo na. 2 lang. Okay. You will have 10 seconds, Arthur. In the event, maswertehan mo and you get all 8, I will give you the Norquist Yamaha Mio motorcycle. Arthur, mga abogado na naging Pangulo ng Pilipinas. I require the full names. Para mapatalsik si Nikki, you just need 2. 10 seconds. It starts now.
Gustavo Macapagal, Ferdinand Marcos, Manuel L. Quezon, Sergio Osmeña, Manuel Rojas, Gloria Macapagal.
Arthur, hindi kasama si Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. You missed Jose P. Laurel, Elpidio Quirino, Carlos P. Garcia. In fairness, you got Sergio Osmeña, Manuel Rojas, Manuel Quezon, Ferdinand Marcos, and Diosdado Macapagal, which means you got 5. Ang galing mo, you just needed 2, but you got 5. Bait mo naman, ang bilis mong hinubad. Hindi ko pa hinubad. Galing. You do go home, Nikki, with 50,000. Thank you.
Congratulations, Ate.
Thank you, thank you. Nice
Ano ba
person.
talaga?
Galing niya, no?
Thank you, ah. Thank you for having me here.
It was a pleasure to have you.
Bye,
You're so
guys.
cute. Bye. Alam mo, swerte mo. Alam mo, ewan ko ba, meron talaga something inside of me. Yung pag ganon, na 3 beses sinubukan, naghirap. There's something in my brain that says this guy is gonna win. I don't know why, and you did. Ay, swerte.
Laki lang siguro.
Ha?
Laki lang siguro.
Dad, magaling ka dumiskarte. Okay, okay, what would Jesus do? Yan ba yung bracelet na yan? Correct, diba? Arthur, ikaw na kaya? Tagal-tagal na namin gustong magkaroon ng bagong milyonaryo. Will it be you?
Sana.
Sana nga.
Sana.
Malalaman po natin kung si Arthur na ba ang susunod na millionaire sa pagbabalik yan ng Pilipinas. Game ka na ba?
Game na!
Arthur, good luck to you. Arthur, game ka na ba?
Game na!
Ito ang mga kategorya. Art and Literature, Entertainment, General Knowledge, Geography and Nature, History and Culture, Science and Technology.
Geography and Nature.
The question. Anong sikat na lugar sa Pilipinas ang ipinangalan sa poet na naging personal na secretary ni U.S. President Abraham Lincoln? I will repeat. Anong sikat na lugar sa Pilipinas ang ipinangalan sa poet na naging personal secretary ni U.S. President Abraham Lincoln? You have a minute. The answer is in the Tarantarium. Good luck to you. Timer starts now! Siyempre naman mahirap talaga because it's worth $1 million. Kung madali, 1 peso lang. Arthur, anong sikat na lugar sa Pilipinas ang ipinangalan sa poet na naging personal secretary ni U.S. President Abraham Lincoln? I have to ask for a specific answer, meaning a specific place or a specific na lugar. You have 60 seconds. Pag sinabi mong sure na, yun ang final answer mo. The minute starts now, Arthur.
Camp John Hay.
Camp John Hay, sure ka na ba?
Sure na?
Is it Camp John Hay? Malalaman po nating lahat sa pagbabalik ng Pilipinas. Game ka na ba?
Game!
Ito na pa hinihintay ninyo. These are the winners of Pilipinas. Loaded ka na ba? Ito ang question of the day nung Sabado. Kompletuin ang lyrics ng South Border hit. There's a rainbow always after the blank. A. Night. B. Flood. C. Rain. At ang tamang sagot ay C. Rain. Panalo ng 1,000 pesos cellphone load sina
Lolita Duculan, Madel de la Cruz, Agnes Retalo, Delia Kalimlim, Maria Carmela Magana, Aloysius Halyores, Rona Barairo, Adelaida Galagar, Nenita Zerudo, Jennifer Gavino, Olympia Ingilio, Eddie Carion Jr., Marley Beligen, Edgardo Oriasel, Mary Joy Alegre, Arvin Rico, Michael Julius Ignacio, Maria Elinita Gisihan, Rain Carmelita Tiaño, Sandy Bonifacio, Herminio Canzana, Lorena Cunda, Jojoso Buron, Celestina May Publico, Jacqueline Santo Tomas, Jovelyn Agoylo, Calixto Jess Jr., Judy Ejercito, and Delma Belmonte.
at panalo ng 50,000 pesos in cash si
Lolita Duculan, congratulations!
Kagaya nila, by tomorrow, you could have 1,000 pesos worth of cell phone loads. You could have 50,000 pesos in cash, or you could win 1 million pesos at the end of the month. Madali po talaga sumali. All you have to do is type in ABS, space the letter of the answer to the question of the day. Space ulit your full name, space again, and your complete address. And ipadala yan sa 2366. Ilabas niyo na po inyong mga cellphones at ito na ang question of the day. Anong uri ng saging ang kadalasang ginagawang banana Q and turon? A. Lakatan. B. Senyorita. C. Saba. Ang dali lang, di ba? Text na. Arthur, ang tanong ko, anong sikat na lugar sa Pilipinas ang ipinangalan sa poet na naging personal secretary ni U.S. President Abraham Lincoln? And you said Camp John Hay. Pwedeng magtanong, bakit yon?
Yun na lang kasi yung lumabas sa utak ngayon. Yun na lang, ewan ko, yun na lang yung kasi yung biglang nag-pop out sa utak ko.
John Hay.
Yes.
Okay. Are you expecting to win?
Ang talagang aim ko talaga yung 5,000 para pang tuition fee ko lang.
Really?
Yes.
Magkano ba ang tuition sa Batangas State?
4,000 plus.
Talaga? Tapos, you got it. Diba God is so good? Kasi may 50,000 ka na. Tapos if you keep winning, diba? Madadagdagan na madadagdagan yon. Ilan kayo sa family?
5,
Pangilan ka?
pangalawa.
Okay. May trabaho bang nanay at tatay mo?
Yes.
Ano?
My mother is a teacher, high school teacher.
In Batangas?
Yes, live-in Lipa.
Okay.
Then my father, nagtitinda sa palengke.
Ay, how nice. I love teachers. Don't we all adore teachers? God is so good because at this point, you do have 50,000 pesos na. Ang tanong ko, and we're close na, di ba? You like me?
Why not?
Ano?
Why not?
Why not daw? Pinagbigyan pa ako nito. Okay, anyway. Hindi na tayo magiging close kasi winahinat mo ko. Okay. Anong sikat na lugar sa Pilipinas ang ipinangalan sa poet na naging personal secretary ni U.S. President Abraham Lincoln? He said Camp John Hay. Ang tamang kasagutan po mga kaibigan, this poet also wrote a famous 10-volume biography of President Lincoln. He went on to become a distinguished diplomat and rose to the position of U.S. Secretary of State under Presidents William McKinley and Theodore Roosevelt. It was during the terms of McKinley and Roosevelt na naging American colony ang Pilipinas. At dahil he played a major role in this regard, ipinangalan sa kanya ang lugar na hinihingi ko sa iyo. Nangyari ito noong 1903, the year that Baguio was officially declared as the summer capital of the Philippines. At ang lugar na to, which began as a rest and recreation base for American soldiers in the Philippines, was named in honor of John Milton Hay. The correct answer for 1 million pesos is Camp John Hay!
Sure.
Kaya ka naman, congratulations. Guess what? You wanted the 5,000 pang tuition. Uuwi ka sa Batangas with 1,050,000 pesos! May I be very honest with you? Akala naming lahat it would be John John, but it wasn't John John. Nung nanalo si Jeff, inakala ko din na mapupunta na kay Jeff, but it still was not Jeff. I didn't know na ikaw, diba, 3 beses. And I even said, pagpasok mo doon, never say die, Arthur. God is so good! Patingin na natin. Okay? Anong name ng daddy mo?
Gregorio.
Ang
Actually,
kami.
his
What?
birthday niya sa 24.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Dad! Good for you.
Mommy's name?
Maria.
Okay. Anong date ngayon, actually? April 18. This will be a day that you will never forget, okay?
Talaga.
Why? Okay, bakit pumasok ang Johnny? I was pretty close, because I thought Burnham Park. Pumasok sa ko, tapos naisip ko pa, McKinley, pero hindi naman ganun kasikat ang McKinley. So sabi ko, sa'yo, bakit?
God is so good kasi bigla na lang,
Nandun ba?
hindi ko siya
Hindi mo
actually
nakita
nakita
doon?
dyan. Actually, it just popped out on my mind na parang may nag-ano sa akin, Kabsan Hay. Yun na lang yun. Hindi ko talaga alam na yun yung sagot
Okay.
na, ewan ko.
Okay, taruin kita. Ito na lang ngayon, okay? Sinabi mo you wanted the 5,000, nabigay yung 5,000. Nagdasal ka ba bago pumunta dito? Kasi parang sumobra-sobra naman ata yung blessings na binigay ni God.
Yes. Actually, nung 2 days before, galing ako nagsimba ako lang mag-isa sa Mount Carmel. Nag-pray ako kay Mother, kay Mary Majestic.
Yes! That's one of my mom's favorite churches. At si Boy Abunda parating nagpupunta doon. Yun yung may miraculous petals, di ba? You went? Oh,
Yes.
see, my gosh, Mama Mary so good talaga. Tapos, kwento ano pa ako?
Actually, hindi alam ng family ko na nagpunta ako doon. Ako lang talaga mag-isa. And sabi ko talaga, if you could give me that 5,000 pesos, gusto ko talaga kasing matulungan yung mom ko. Kasi medyo mahirap ang buhay ngayon.
Yes!
Sabi
Anong
ko-
year ka na ba?
4th year.
1 year to go.
Yes, 1 year.
Kahit meron ka ng 1,050,000 ngayon, tapusin mo pag-aaral mo, ha?
Yes.
Promise?
Of course.
Okay? This is what makes this show so worthwhile because we know na babago namin ang takbo ng buhay ng mga naglalaro dito at napapatunayan natin talaga, di ba, na dapat ganun talaga yung attitude. Never give up, never say die. Magtiwala sa Diyos, magtiwala sa Panginoon at ibibigay talaga ang magandang kapalaran sa'yo. Congratulations, Arthur.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you sa lahat. Sa staff, thank you very much.
Okay. Invite us to Lipa.
Oh, invite.
Sige. Okay, thank you. Arthur, congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Well, mga kaibigan, I don't know why, but I honestly felt when he made it, he would be the one. Hindi ko po inasahan that it would be this soon, pero this is the show where dreams really do come true. Magkita-kita tayo ulit bukas because meron na naman bang saswertehin? Did you enjoy?
So much.
Okay. You like me?
Sure.
Okay. See you all again tomorrow, mga kaibigan. Dito pa rin sa Pilipinas. Game ka na ba? Game na!
Ang programang ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng New Rejoice